When parents say, my child is very sensitive, they say it with worry. Sensitivity really means like crying easily, like being overwhelmed, react strongly, and need reassurance. And for this reason, these children often labeled as weak children, not strong enough, overreactive. In today's video, I will explain what sensitivity actually means. Stay tuned. From neurological and psychological perspective, sensitivity doesn't mean fragility. Sensitivity means how the nervous system perceive anything quickly, how nervous system process external stimuli. Some children process the auditory means some sounds intensely. Some children some children notice emotional shift quickly. Some children strongly react on someone's tone, someone's language, someone's stress. Developmental research shows these children process the sensory and emotional input vividly, and their emotional memory is stronger than the other, and these children show heightened empathy in their early life. And this is not a behavioral problem, this is temperament, some children temperament, and this is somehow biological. To understand sensitive children, we need to understand their nervous system. Nervous system works from two sides. One is perception, how they react to external stimuli, and how they regulate themselves. These sensitive children process external stimuli vividly and quickly, but their regulating nervous system is slower. So when something happens and they get stimuli, their limbic system, the emotional brain, gets excited, and sometimes for this reason they become overwhelmed, they cries easily, even they can understand the shift in the room, in the tone, but they cannot regulate it properly. For this reason, they become chaotic in the chaotic environment, and they become overwhelmed. But this is neurobiological, this is not drama. Studies on gifted children and intelligent children shows these children have higher emotional awareness, higher sensitivity to understand the shift, higher social IQ, higher understanding of the environment. Sensitive children often ask deep questions. They reflect more. They understand inconsistencies more. Even they understand injustice strongly. This combination can make them difficult in discipline system because the today's discipline system reward obedience more. But this type of children, emotional limbic system is more working than their cognitive system. So, so what happens when we tell them to stop cry, don't overreact? They suppress their emotion, and this cause anxiety. They cannot stop feeling because this is how their nervous system works. But what they do, they disconnect with themselves. When we don't understand their feelings, we don't validate their feelings, their nervous system doesn't calm down, their nervous system shuts down. And this is how when these sensitive children grows up, we can see anxiety, we can see people pleasing tendency in this type of children, because from their childhood they learn to suppress their emotion. Research supports total different kind of approach for these sensitive children. Number one, we need to name their feelings. We need to validate their feelings. We have to tell them, you are upset now, you are angry, like that. Number two, we um, we need to connect with them first before correcting them. When we can give them emotional safety, they will regulate their emotion better, and it will guide them to be confident, to become a leader, to regulate their emotion. I have told it before, and like that they become confident. And number three, they need structure, they need predictable structure. But sometimes this structure, this routine need to be flexible. This type of children cannot work better in fixed and rigid routine. They need flexibility. So, when sensitivity is guided properly, it become empathy, it become leadership, it become emotional intelligence. Sensitivity is not weakness. When we understand their feelings, they will thrive. When they're misunderstood, they struggle. So, in my next video, I will tell you why these sensitive children resist routine or control, and what we need to do to stop the power struggle. If this video make you understand how to deal with sensitive children, this this awareness can lead to change. If you like the video and if it helps, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.